Hi everyone, Gul from Runchat here. In this tutorial, we're going to look at using Runchat for interior design, specifically to go and research good design precedent or mood boards, ideas that you might have for doing kitchen redesign in this case, but it could be any interior redesign. We'll go research the internet, find examples of those, and then learn how to take an existing photograph of a space. This is an image that I just found of a kitchen on the internet, and then use generative models to redesign that space, matching our reference. At the end, we'll have a tool that we can use over and over again with different reference images to get different output designs. So we can really, really quickly explore a bunch of different ideas. So let's get stuck into it. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to research our reference images. So I'm going to say, can you do some research into award-winning Australian residential architects, specifically, let's say, and find some images of recent projects they have done. We're specifically interested in kitchen renovations. Search the net first, then extract content from the architect's pages or websites. Find good reference images. All right, we'll hit go. So what the Runchat agent is going to do when we ask it to do something like this is it's going to go, okay, you're going to need some tools. So it said you need a search tool and an image search tool. And so I'm just going to click approve all. We have to approve these tools because when we do image searches with the agent, it costs a very small amount of credits. It's 10 credits or so per search, so it's really not very much. And in my case, I've linked my own accounts for these tools, and so it's not actually using any Runchat credits, just credits to run nodes. Okay, it's asking for some more tools. We'll give it those. So it's doing some research, finding some interiors for us. It's found some kitchens. That one's a bit too gaudy for my liking. All right, let's go see what it's found and we'll see if there's one that I like. This one's pretty nice and minimal. Maybe we can go with that. This one's pretty nice too. This one's pretty nice. Still searching for kitchens. Oh yeah, that's cool. Let's go with this one. Okay, I think I like that image there. So we can stop running the agent, and we're going to use this image. So we found something that we like. Now, another thing that we can do before we get or go too much further is, let's say we find an image that we like this one. You can always select it and you can just say, can you find some more projects by this architect, specifically other kitchen designs they have done? And that's going to send the image off. Hopefully our agent will be able to figure out what it is and show us some more images. Cool, not in that first search, but this one looks pretty good. So that. I still think that first image is probably good enough for what we're after. So we can stop this now. Get rid of these ones. That's a random image search. And we'll stick with that one for now. It's kind of funky. It's got some weird detailing of the tiles and stuff like that. Okay, so that's in this first video, we're just covering research. So we're asking the agent to go and find reference images, showing you how to select images and continue prompting just to get more images like it or to sort of do deeper dives into something. And from here on out, we're going to learn how to take this and restyle our existing kitchen to produce this image.